Here it is, another special delivery from Max. Just arrived on Friday. Was busy yesterday dealing with all these logs, but here it is. The Sawmill trailer mobility kit. So, getting ready to crack this thing open and see what's in store, what's involved with putting it together. And gonna get this guy up on top of here. Because as you can see right now, I kind of have a bit of a sketchy platform that I'm using. Not even a platform, but it's not really working out too great. So upgrade in progress. We'll be back. Timberfellers Homesteading. Thanks. So got the box open. Don't know if everything's there. Started pulling some of these things out, some of these parts. I have yet to see an instruction manual. So as you can see in the shipping process, these crates are a little flimsy and they bust open, and hopefully nothing has fallen out, but we will continue pulling this stuff out and hopefully come across an instruction manual. There's some lights right there. Some of this box, 12 volt, more lights. Nice, very nice. So far from what I'm pulling out, these pieces are not, they're not cheap, they're not light. They're good quality, so I have high hopes for this thing and have a ton of work to do. You see, we pulled these logs off that hillside over there on that 20 acres. I don't know, there's probably 30 here. But once we get that sawmill trailer put together and that mill on there and everything leveled up, we are rolling. But thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Appreciate it.